Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use live text on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is go into your setting. From your setting, in the search here, you're going to search for live text. So once you search for live text, it's usually going to be under the general language and region. Right here, live text. We're going to make sure this setting is turned on. Now with this setting turned on, what we can do is let's go into our photo app and let's say you take a photo of some text, right? Now on a text like this, I can do is basically long press and hold, and then a menu will pop up, basically a cursor where I can drag and copy text from this, also known as live text. If I do that, I can copy and then I can move this text over somewhere else. Maybe I'm writing a message to someone or sending it only the text. I can put it right there. Maybe I want to put it in the notes. I can go ahead and create a note and then tap and paste that directly from a photo. So that's how you use live text on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.